All right, everybody, this is the tutorial for playing the major cadences. Cadences in a major key. For both hands, you're going to put your hand in the 5-finger position for the key that you're in. I'm going to do the same example as what's in the handout there, the PDF, and do this in the key of C. So I put my right hand in the first 5 notes of a C major scale. And I can make the C major chord that way. Now, I like the idea in order to prep yourself for the next chord and to see how it looks at the top of those 5 notes, in the major scale, play the first 5 notes and then play a whole step above the top note. And you may as well sing the solfege on this. It's a really handy little bit of solfege. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol. That sol, la, sol is a whole step. That sets your hand up for when you do the motion to the 4 chord, which is keeping your thumb in the same spot and moving these 2 notes up the scale to F and A. If you look at that motion, the middle voice, the alto voice, is moving up a half step, and the soprano voice, the top voice, is moving up a whole step. So by practicing, when you first put your hand in the position, playing do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, then you've already practiced that motion of the top voice, that whole step. All right? Putting your left hand in position, same thing. Play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't need to do the la, sol, because you can do the entire left hand of the cadence without moving your position. What the left hand does is it plays the roots of these 3 chords. 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. And so I recommend that as a little warm-up for your left hand. When you put your left hand in position, play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. That's all the left hand does for the pattern. 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Okay, we'll come back to the left hand in a minute. Let's go back to the right hand. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol. The 1 chord is 1, 3, and 5. And then as we talked about, for the 4 chord, the first motion, the top 2 notes move up the scale 1 step. And the middle voice is moving a half step, the top voice is moving a whole step. So that's the 1 chord moving to the 4 chord and back. 1, 4, 1. The next motion is to a 5 chord. And here's the way I think about the 5 chord. I keep my pinky right where it is. It doesn't move. I put a whole step below it. So I get that whole step, the G and the F together. So again, keep the pinky where it is, put a whole step below it, and then the thumb moves to the leading tone, to T, down a half step. So again, pinky stays where it is, add a whole step below, move the thumb to the leading tone, and then back to 1. So the whole pattern is put that together with the 1, 4, 1, 5, 1 in the left hand. And that's it. You're done. Of course, practice it very, very slowly. Always practicing it accurately. Taking your time. Okay, go on to the next video where we do the minor cadences.